What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna make elote, street corn. So really quick, on the grill I have a little bit of butter, and I'm gonna start off real quick by just basting all the corn, and this is gonna make those flames come up out of the grill and also give it that delicious taste. Now I want to show you what I did here. I had these bamboos right here in water for a half an hour. That way when you put them in there, they won't burn. So all I do is stick it in there. Because this will get messy. I'll show you how. So all you want to do is grill them and get them really roasted, because it's sweet corn, so you're going to have a little bit of salty, a little bit of spicy, lemony, mayonnaise, and all that other great stuff. So we're just going to put a little butter and bring those flames up. That's going to make it char even a little bit more and give it some flavor. Boom. Okay, we're gonna dump the rest of our butter in there. We're gonna get about 3 big old spoons of mayonnaise right there. Mix that in real nicely, right? Gonna get a little cayenne pepper for a little kick, you know. This is optional. You can put as much as you want or a little as you want. Here you have garlic. We have garlic salt. I'm gonna put that in there. We got some paprika here, little paprika, right? Roasted garlic mayo, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Now we have a black pepper here, a little bit more kick, a little bit more flavor. And the star of the show, Parmesan cheese, baby. You gotta have Parmesan cheese in there. And now what you want to do is you mix that in, mix it all in. Look at that, that's nothing but flavor, nothing but flavor. Look at that, it's beautiful. Then what you want to do is you want to get your corn, roasted corn, put it in the middle, grab that baby and just twist it around. Make sure you get all those flavors in there. Look at that. You're going to love this. Then add just a little bit of extra Parmesan cheese, and you're one down and 5 to go. Just keep adding. You can put out more ingredients, more and more, until you're done. So now we're almost done. I'm going to put a little bit more Parmesan cheese, a little bit more of a cayenne pepper. Give it that beautiful color right there, and then just squeeze a little bit of lime. Oh yeah, baby, it's party time. Let's go eat this thing.
Get in my belly!
And now for the best part, baby, the taste. Oh. Delicioso. You're gonna love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day.